for allowing this debate in this House. And I also want to extend my appreciation to the Honorable Bahati on behalf of the government, and some semblance of, appreciation of the situation from the Minister of Internal Affairs. Honorable Speaker, when you look at the social media now, you find Uganda, you cannot differentiate it from Congo, where there are M23 against the Congolese, vice versa, and the people are moving. They are being held in Changwari. What is the cause of this? Dishonesty. Mr. Speaker, the minister ought to tell this House who these people that beat Ugandans are. If he is to restore hope in Ugandans, let him tell us who they are. Or if he has no time to enlist them, let's give him time to bring a list of those people who beat Wananchi. But when we continue massaging this situation, it will escalate. Because, Mr. Speaker, everybody, someone said that what is the food for the gander is the food for the goose. What's good for the gander is good for the goose. And this is not selecting opposition, it is happening to NRM as well. Some other DCs have started, some other DCs have started intimidating people, Mr. Speaker, and they are saying, we are going to come for you.
Honorable Kaberuka, how we behave here, when the microphone is off because of time, you ask for more time. You don't switch on, then you continue business as usual. Honorable Ndezi? And I saw they gave you little time, I would have added you, but because of what you've done, I'm not able. Honorable Ndezi?
Right, Honourable Speaker. The constitutional mandate for managing elections is vested in the Electoral Commission. In the performance of its constitutional mandate, the Commission shall not be subject to the direction of any person or authority. The Commission is autonomous. The Commission is independent. Therefore, Right Honourable Speaker, we have many questions to ask the Electoral Commission. Unfortunately, the Electoral Commission is not here. We talk about police, we talk about army, but the right party to be in charge of the situation we are talking about in Kawempe is the Electoral Commission. Therefore, Right Honourable Speaker, I think at an appropriate time, we should find a mechanism for ensuring that the Electoral Commission is held accountable. If they have allowed other parties to hijack their functions, let them tell us. If they do not have the mandate to manage the elections, let them tell us. We allocate a lot of money to this commission every year. If it has failed to use the money properly, let the commission tell us. So, Right Honourable Speaker, my humble request is that we need a mechanism for ensuring that we interact with the Electoral Commission to know exactly what is going on there. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Honourable Modoy, then Honourable Opende.
Right Honourable Speaker, I want to thank this House for reviewing and discussing this subject matter. I was a returning officer. Yeah, in Uganda, for many years I've been a returning officer, and I was. And I want to thank Honourable Ndezi what he said. The mandate hold elections in this country rests strictly with the Electoral Commission. Particularly so when you have a nominated candidate, that candidate becomes your official. They have the right to protect that candidate and ensure that whatever happens, happens within the law. You only request security to protect the process. All of us colleagues, we are the product of elections. You know, each one has a story. This thing has happened maybe at the time when we should review what's going to happen, how it happens. It is very true that democracy is a definition of a nation. It is a very serious program that allows each citizen to see how their leaders are elected. The same is also equally true that the leadership of a country comes about through democracy. And therefore, the constitution has to be held high. What happened in Kawempe could happen in other parts of the country. So in my opinion, and I think the Chairman Electoral Commission addressed people, I say people because he didn't address the nation. He has to come out clearly to assure the nation whether we are ready for elections or what's going to happen. We have a friend whose child was passing that direction, and she was beaten badly. And as I wind up, I want to look at the security. When I was in service, the coat of arms has to be respected at all costs. People, the goons who were beating, people were putting on, they had our flag. There is no way, I think, in my view, we have to be very frank and look at this issue squarely and address it. Honorable Minister, the idea of thanking you that you went and consoled the patient, it should have been Electoral Commission. Because those are the in charge of this product. I want to thank you again, and the colleague, let's not lose hope. I think this is the time to review of how we are going to proceed. Thank you.
Honorable Pendi.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. And thank you for giving time to this particular subject.